Hello and welcome back to another Off the Mountain. It's hot, and I was looking around for examples of how these things really work. You seen these? Get a Felpro kit, have a gigantic gasket that you got to put in. You're like, what? What is this? Anyway, so I'll show you. It's kind of fun. It's not bad. It's not. It's not as bad as you think. Well, yeah. Anyway, here, let me show you. So here we are with our. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, it's so good. It's so good. So these, and if you try to put these in the wrong in a hole that doesn't work, it's okay. It's for the bigger ones. So in this case, on a Jeep, for instance, it goes into here. If I can do this with one hand, and also the camera. Of course I drop it. Why not? I'll just put that down here. Let's just try that again. And of course some boneheads playing their stereo so loud. Okay, so you put them in here, okay? You put it here. And then these two in the very, very back are the ones you put them in. Ugh, I'm kind of stuck here. Here, let me just show you. I have no idea if this video is going to turn out or not, but we're just going to try it. Why do I do this to myself? Put two things in my hand at the same time. And then we got like a fuzzy invasion from the the stupid cottonwoods this year. They're really, really bad. But there we go. We're getting that guy in there. Okay. And you'll notice too, there's a little bit of a. Let me see if I can't zoom in. There we go. You see a little spot there on the bottom for him. Why are you not like, you're fuzzy? Okay, anyway, so there you go, okay? All right, so that's in there. I'm gonna do the other one, and then I'll show you after the fact. Okay, so you can see now, I've got the two posts on this side. Hello, new pump. I got the two posts here, and then all the way on the other end. We'll see if I can't get a decent shot of this. It's a little dark on this side. Oh, that's not too bad. So you can see there's one there, and there's one there, and now it's all there. But now you're gonna ask, go ahead, ask it. I know what you're gonna ask. I know what you're gonna. How do you get those on the pan? Well, good news, they're plastic. They're plastic and they move really, really nicely. So what I do is I slide it up this way. Here, let me back up a little bit. So I take the pan and I'm sliding it in this way, right? And you get around the pump, get around the old oh yeah, that's a great, okay, yeah, this is great. So you come in here, right? And you can kind of push a little bit farther than the edge here. So you can kind of push it a little bit. And then on the back side there, what I do is I just pull these in just a little bit. Just by hand. I mean, it's not pretty. Unfortunately, I don't have a way to show you how to do that. But it's just me. But you can just bend that in. And let's do that now. So here's the dirty side of YouTube that no one will tell you. This is real right here. Non-mechanic. I'm not ASE certified. I haven't been working at a dealership for 15 years. I'm not sitting here pretending like everything is super simple and easy. This is just me figuring it out and showing you all. This is uncut. Until it's useless for you to see me banging this thing around. So I'm trying to get those two posts in the back. It's not easy. The fronts end up failing and falling out because I did not put them in all the way. Learn from my mistakes. Make what I do better. Because these little thingies, I'm sure you can tell me what they are in the comments. They work great. Once I got this thing in, it worked really, really well. I kept screwing it up. And I'm like, nope, that doesn't, nope. Okay, that fell, wait, why did that fall out? Eventually, I get it. Not this time. Not this time. I got close, but I didn't get it this time. And that's okay. If you're having the same fight and you're looking at it going, what is this dummy doing? Yeah, I'm not pro tipping. I am telling you it's going to suck. And you see that ball of tape right there, the one that I just touched. I had painted that oil pan and scraped the living crap out of it the first time I did this. And it was long before this. I just wanted to make sure that it got in
and I just scratched it all just, it was a mess. It's not perfect. So what? That's okay. But using those little things does make it easier. Because I had originally had a problem with the oil pan not fitting properly. That's the oil pump video that I just posted up. But this eventually goes in. Snaps in, hangs there just nicely, and then that allows me to put in all the oil pan bolts, which there's like 30 of them on Jeeps, if you're not aware. And here it is. Think, there it was. That was it. Anticlimactic. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you all later.